Hello, I am the Hose Advisor Pro. Hybrid Toyodrop Hose has a structure that prevents condensation by means of integrated thermal insulation. Let's compare the effects with an ordinary hose that does not have thermal insulation. The test equipment is set to an internal atmospheric temperature of 35 degrees Celsius and 65% humidity. Water at 20 degrees Celsius flows through the hose and we will check for condensation. Let's compare. Condensation occurs at the hose couplings and hose surface where there is no thermal insulation. Let's look at the conditions of condensation up close. Large water droplets can be seen on the hose surface and coupling part. The water droplets resulting from condensation form puddles and can lead to accidents. Next, let's look at the hybrid Toyodrop hose. There is no condensation on the surface or couplings of the hybrid Toyodrop hose. The hybrid Toyodrop hose prevent troubles such as slip and fall accident and electrical leakage accidents caused by condensation. It is also highly resistant to kinking and collapsing, has good thermal insulation effect, and can lead to energy saving. The hybrid Toyodrop hose prevents condensation and enables safe and stable production. The lineup includes two colors, ivory and gray, making identification of the piping possible. The dedicated coupling cover allows even more reliable use. If this video was useful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel.